Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi, technical analyst, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I trade in options, stocks, commodity, cryptocurrency, everywhere by using this trading setup. This is basically swing trading strategy, and the winning ratio, or you can say like the success ratio, is more than 80%. Alright, so before I start, please like and subscribe this channel. When I'm releasing new content, so definitely you will get the notification. Alright, so first let me show you some takeaway. This is a swing trading strategy, and basically I use time period, daily time period, and I use indices, stocks, commodity, currency, and crypto also. And this is profit ratio is 1:2, and I use stop loss 1.5 ATR below my anti candle, and the risk is 2% net liquidations, and enter my value or capital. So first, trading setup, and I'm using parabolic SAR. Input I using 0.02 and increment 0.02, and maximum also 0.2. So let me hack this strategy, very interesting. Alright, so this is the parabolic, and this is the setup. Alright, so basically I'm looking for buy or sell after appearing parabolic arc in a candle in a specific direction. So let me tell you, let me explain. So let's see, here we have seen parabolic arc appearing above this candle, means I'm looking for sell. Alright, if you are trading in option, so you just go for buy put. So first thing, remember, always calculate these two parabolic arcs. Wait for appearing two parabolic arcs. So right now here you can see two parabolic arcs are appearing, parabolic arc 1, parabolic arc 2, and here I can see this first candle and the second candle. So after that I'm placing sell ticker price below this candle. Alright, my profit ratio is 1:2. Alright, so means I'll place my SL above this candle. What is the point? Above 1.5 ATR. So who people doesn't know about ATR, just go to my YouTube channel and you will see how I using ATR. Alright, and my target is this one called 1, and the target is 2, 1:2 ratio. Alright, this is my first entry. Let's see here. So second, we have seen appearing these two candles. Alright, so this one and another one, so that is the buy candle. So I place my buy order above that candle. So finally you can see fail to enter. Alright, again price drop and cancel my buy order. And the next we have seen first parabolic arc, second parabolic arc. So we combine both of them, so lower point is somewhere there. So finally later on here you can see triggered my sell order, and all the way price drop. So my target price will be here. It's a triggered 1 ATR above that one, and the my SL is above this 1 ATR, that candle, and my profit ratio is 1:2. So here I can see 1 and another 2. Okay, next entry point we have seen this one, and another one. So this candle and this candle, we combine both of them, and buy order triggered by next candle, all the way price goes up. So our target price just below this, our SL is just below this candle, and this is called 1, and my target is above here, this is called 2. All right, so next you can see parabolic arc appear somewhere there, and these two candle we place sell order. Later here you can see trigger or sell or all the way price drop. So who people are tailing their SL, so you just tailing, but basically I target 1:2 ratio. So I already told you. So this is the parabolic arc. So next we are using, this is called RSI. First RSI period I am using 70, the upper side, this one 70, and the lower side, that is the 30. Here I can see this one 30, and the length I'm using, or you can say period 10. Manually it comes like 14, but I'm not using 14, I'm using 10 in this setup. Okay, so this is the rule. What is the anti-rule? Once price goes above 70, this one 70 line, and this one 70, this one 30, goes above this 70, so we are looking for sell. If price hit like 30, we are looking for buy, we are looking for buy, and we are looking for buy, we are looking for sell, and we are looking for buy. That is the setup. So we combine with parabolic SAR. So let me show you some example. So first example, this one Nifty 50. Let me show you first. Okay, we have seen RSI just cross 70 level. This one 70 and this one 30. First parabolic arc are appearing. First candle somewhere here, second candle parabolic arc are forming, second candle, and the lower point we have seen here. So we place sell order. Why we place sell order? Because price was over both zone, now pointing toward downside, and we place sell order, and this is our anti candle. We place 1 ATR above 1.5 ATR above SL, and then later on here you can see price all the way down. All right, so next we have seen some buy opportunity. Let me hack this problem like hack point. So we have seen here I can see RSI entered below 30 level, but no parabolics are appearing below this candle. All right, so we already entered here sell order, but still price downtrend, but RSI entered 30 level, but parabolics are still above this candle. So later we have seen some parabolics are appearing, first candle, second candle, but already gone up. So it's not valid trade. So let me show you. So next parabolics are appearing, but above side, above this candle, but RSI still below this 30. So this is not signaling us toward a downside. All right, it is not a valid sell signal. So next we have seen here I can see they entered here, some buy confirmation are forming here, this candle, that this candle, if you wanna enter here, but basically once price hit this level we avoid to enter. This is the we miss that opportunity. Most of the people are thinking, hey sir, price goes up from this area, but we miss that opportunity. All right, we never enter, so we just following the rule. So next price, here I can see RSI goes above 70, again pointing toward downside. No parabolic arc are forming above this candle. Next we have seen parabolic arcs forming and RSI is just pointing toward the downside after entering 70 level. First candle and the second candle we sell here trigger price and place above this anti candle. This is the 1 and the 2 ratio. So you can see price goes up, but finally price drop again. It is not able to hit our SL. All right, but next most of the people are thinking, hey, price hit this level, parabolics are also forming. Yeah, we place buy order above this candle but fail to trigger. So have you seen how filtering the fake point? All right, so next we have seen entering 30 level, no parabolics are forming. So later we have seen next entered again 30 level. Now parabolics are forming. We place buy order and the triggered we place SL below this entering candle 180 or below, and all the way price goes up. Next we have seen entered 70 level pointing toward the downside, parabolics are forming. We place sell order, all the way price drop. Have you seen how beautiful trading strategy, swing trading? So let's see another example. This is Reliance. Parabolics are RSI entered 70 level and pointing to a downside, parabolics are forming. We combine both of them, triggered our sell order, all the way price drop. All right, so see how fake point here. I can see RSI entered below this 30 level, no parabolics are forming. So later we have seen two parabolics are forming. We place buy order, fail our buy order. All right, so here I can see parabolics are forming, but price not able to enter this level. So later we have seen RSI entered 70 level, this one first, the second, and we place our trigger price and 180 above this our anti candle. So here I can see price not able to hit this SL, and all the way price drop from this area. Okay, so next here I can see price from here RSI, parabolics are forming. We place buy order, all the way price goes up. Next here, let me show you somewhere here, entering below 70 level, parabolics are forming, and somewhere there it's a hit our SL. So you can see here. So next, no buy opportunity, and the second here I can see sell order, parabolics are forming, triggered our sell order, SL is somewhere there, 1:2. Perfect. So next here I can see parabolic are forming, RSI already entered and pointing toward the upside, and first candle, second candle, triggered our buy order, all the way price goes up. Have you seen how beautiful trading strategy this one? So next one, you can see another example. This is TCS, and the TCS we have seen price entered below 30 level. Now it's crossed 30 level, parabolics are forming, and the triggered our buy order. Next price little more goes up and again goes down. There are no sell signal, but all the way after that you can see somewhere fake point are forming here, but no parabolics are forming. Somewhere here in this area we have seen parabolics are forming above this area, and they triggered our sell order somewhere there, and all the way price drop. Here I can see entered, parabolics are forming, and the triggered buy order, price goes up. And here I can see RSI cross or hit this 70 level, parabolics are forming above this area. We trigger our sell order, all the way price drop. All right, so you just follow this consistently, and we back test the last 10 years. It's a more than 80% winning ratio. So thanks for giving your valuable time. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. When I'm releasing new content, so definitely you will get the notification.